Ready to say goodbye to Netflix? Whether you're switching services, cleaning up unused subscriptions, or just done with it, this quick guide will walk you through how to delete your Netflix account on your iPhone. So let's get started. Step 1. Cancel your membership if you haven't already. First up, on your iPhone, open the Netflix app. Then tap Any Profile. Tap the profile icon in the right side labeled My Netflix. Now tap the 3-line icon in the top right. Select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. Now scroll down from here. You should find the Cancel Membership option. Tap on it. From here, choose an option to cancel your ongoing Netflix membership. This ensures your payment stops and the account is set to cancel at the end of the current billing period. After that, go back to the Netflix's account page. Step 2. Delete Netflix account. Right under Cancel Membership is the Delete Account option. Tap on it. Now choose a verification method to verify it's you who's deleting the account. After that, you have to follow the on-screen prompts to delete your account. I won't go along with that since I won't delete my account, but it's actually pretty easy. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions and that will do. And that's basically how you delete your Netflix account on your iPhone. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials and fixes. And I'll see you in the next video.